Today we're making one of the staples of Indian food. Learn how to make ginger garlic paste next. Hey kids, JD here. So today I'm going to give you the results of something I've been trying lately, which is a staple of Indian food called ginger garlic paste. Now, as normal, I found a recipe online to do this. From what I'm told, a lot of Indian people don't like to spend a lot of time cooking ginger garlic paste. So what they'll do is they'll buy it from the store. However, you can make it fresh too. So I thought we'd try the fresh version of it. Before we get started, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. It does mean a lot. I mean, we're almost at 20 whole subscribers. All right, so what do you need? You need 125 grams of chopped into small, small pieces, ginger, and you need 125 grams of crushed garlic. The reason most people crush it is that you can get the skin off of it. I actually found that you leave a lot of the garlic flavor on the board if you do that. So what I did is I chopped the pieces lengthwise and then pulled the peel off. It's a little more work, but it's not that bad. Now the initial recipe called for 1/4 cup of oil. Doesn't say what kind of oil, so I used extra virgin olive oil. Cook it on high for 5 minutes. It burned. But here's a clip of how it tasted. You can definitely taste a little bit of the burn in there. That's not too bad. You do get a strong ginger flavor from it. Pretty strong garlic flavor too. I'm actually surprised at how strong it is, because usually I get the store-bought stuff. I don't know what they're doing, but it's not like that. I found a different pressure cooker recipe, which was essentially the same thing, the same amount of ginger and garlic. But this time what it did is it used 3 tablespoons of oil and then either 2 or 3 tablespoons of water. So I put in 3 because I didn't want to get the burned effect. So basically the same thing. Cook it for 5 minutes on high. When it's done, blend it. Also add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric for some color. And this is what I ended up with. Now another thing that you can do is you can add up to 2 teaspoons of vinegar to help preserve it for longer. This will sit in the fridge for a month without vinegar and will be longer without. It doesn't say, nowhere in the recipe does it say what longer means. It's just longer. So you can see some ginger garlic right there. The one nice thing about burning it, even though that wasn't ideal, is that the garlic, the part that wasn't, was actually kind of caramelized. So it produced a richer flavor. So what I might do next time personally is try 2 teaspoons of water instead. Just so it gets a little more cooked, hopefully not overcooked, but a little more caramelization on the garlic. There's nothing wrong with it. I just want to make sure that you get a little bit of an extra flavor kick to it. I can't find ginger garlic paste locally, but I can get both ginger and garlic. So here's my solution to the problem. That's ginger garlic paste, one of the staples of Indian food cooking. And now you can make it yourself without having to buy it from the store. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like, leave some comments below, share with your friends, share with your enemies, I don't care who. However, it's summer, so probably a lot of you are on vacation and not really watching YouTube anyway. But that's fine. So I'm JD, and I'm out.